talk about your day, ask questions, or even describe things around you. The key is consistency. So if you pop in regularly, I'll be ready to help every time.
Yeah, you can create a roadmap for next 30 days. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to speak with the ChatGPT, how to speak with the Gemini, and how to improve your communication skill by using AI. UPSC in nowadays AI hype is very high, so you can learn how to implement AI in your daily life, daily conversations. So before we don't have any tools how to speak and how to practice with the people, but nowadays lots of tools available in the market, so you can speak with them like a ChatGPT, Gemini. So I have a laptop. In this laptop I have installed Gemini and the ChatGPT. If you see in the ChatGPT has self talking agents, so we can talk with the agents. So agent can reply to you, and he try to help to improve your English communication skills. Simply you have to speak right question to the agents, so agent will revert back to you. Then you can ask if you stuck anything, like if you stuck in the like a grammar, if like you don't know the rules, so you can ask them, he will revert back. He has a very huge memory, he has very huge data, so this data will give you lots of things. So now we can try with ChatGPT. Now I'm going to show you how to speak and how to elaborate things with the ChatGPT and how ChatGPT give reply back. So now I'm going to chat with the and talk with the ChatGPT. So click on the talk icon. So yes, there is one use voice icon. So click on that. Yeah, right.
I can't actually see or interact with your screen, so
Oh,
I can't click anything myself. But
yeah,
if you're asking,
yeah. You don't want to click anything. Yes, I ask you key. Which is the which one options to interact with you by ChatGPT?
got it. You got a few options. You can chat by typing, which is probably what you do most often. You can also use voice, like we're doing right now. If supported, you could even share images for me to check out. So pick whichever feels right for the moment.
Okay, one more thing. Some people have your mobile version. Like I have laptop, then I'm chat with you by the your web version. So which version is the best for to communicate with you?
Honestly, it's really just about your preference. The web version on a laptop might be great if you like a bigger screen and typing. The mobile app is super convenient on the go, especially if you want to chat with voice quickly. Both versions let you interact in similar ways. So the best one is simply the one that fits your situation.
Okay, that's mean both version are great. You can chat with mobile or laptop. Okay.
Exactly. Both are fully capable, and I'm happy to chat on whichever device you prefer. So, whatever works for you, I'm here.
Okay, now I want to practice English speaking with you. So how can you give me the your time?
You don't need to worry about my time. I'm here whenever you are. Just start talking, and I'll be ready to respond and help you practice. No appointment needed.
Okay, you don't need appointment.
Nope, none at all. Just jump in anytime you feel like practicing. Whether it's a quick chat or a deep dive, I'm always up for it.
Okay, can you ask me any question?
Sure thing. Let's keep it fun and conversational. If
Okay.
you could learn any new skill instantly, what would you choose and why?
Yeah, I choose AI.
AI is a solid choice. So, what's drawing you to AI? Are you more curious about creating things with it or understanding how it thinks?
Okay, nowadays in the like world, AI is on the top, and he has a lots of tool and lots of things. So if you want to access, if you want to research on any particular things, so AI will give you easily things. So that's why I like AI.
That's a really practical perspective. AI is a powerful tool to unlock information and solve problems faster. I'd say diving in makes total sense. Sounds like you're ready to surf that AI wave.
Okay, that's great. Now I have one question. Now, like if I'm a beginner in the English communication, so how I start English communications? Because I want to practice with the people. So can I practice with you daily basis?
Absolutely, you can practice with me daily. Starting out, just focus on simple conversations. Talk about your day, ask questions, or even describe things around you. The key is consistency. So if you pop in regularly, I'll be ready to help every time.
Yeah, you can create a roadmap for next 30 days.
I won't create a rigid roadmap because everyone's progress is unique. But here's a flexible approach.
Okay.
First, start by having simple daily conversations. Talk about your routine, hobbies, or favorite topics. Gradually introduce new vocabulary each week and practice using it. Midway, challenge yourself with longer discussions or storytelling. Toward the end, try role plays or debates. The goal is steady daily practice, and I'll support you along the way.
Let's start.
Awesome! I'm excited to hear your progress. Whenever you're ready, we'll chat, practice, and have fun with it. Let's go.
Right now we can speak.
Absolutely, let's dive in. Go ahead and start with anything on your mind, and I'll be right here to keep the conversation rolling.
Okay, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Now, here's your practice moment. How was your day so far?
Yeah, that's great. Where do you live?
I don't live anywhere physically. I'm purely digital, here in the cloud. But I'm always around when you need a chat.
Actually, I am living in Pune, in Maharashtra. So,
Pune,
yeah,
that's a lively city with a great mix of culture and tech. Since you're there, what's something you really enjoy about living in Pune?
yeah. Pune has a great climate. So I feel the climate, clean air, and there are awesome people. So I feel with the sharing my things. So that would be great for me.
That sounds like a wonderful environment. A good climate and friendly people can make all the difference. And now, with your English practice, you'll have even more ways to connect with those awesome people.
Yeah, that is great because Pune is known as like a IT hub. So Hinjewadi.
Yes, Hinjawadi is quite famous as a major IT hub in Pune. With all those tech companies and professionals around, it's a great place for opportunities, especially if you're diving into AI or tech related fields.
Okay. Do you have any question for me?
I sure do. What's one personal goal, big or small, that you're working toward right now?
Yeah, I want to become a big YouTuber.
That's a fantastic goal. There's so much potential in that space. I'm curious, what kind of content are you most excited to create on your channel?
Yeah, I want to create content like speak with the people and share my knowledge and share knowledge related to AI, so people can easily develop his skills and improve his communication skills. So yeah, I want to help with the people. So yeah, I like this thing.
That's a really valuable mission. Combining communication skills with AI knowledge will definitely help a lot of people. Plus, sharing your journey will make your channel relatable. I think you're on the right track. Just keep that passion going.
Yeah, it's nice fun with you. Okay.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. It's always fun having a good chat. So, whenever you want to practice or share more, I'll be here.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're absolutely welcome. I'm happy to be part of your journey. Just drop by anytime and we'll keep the conversation going.
Yeah, one more question. If you want to give suggestion me how about my English, and I need to improve English or not. So can you give me a review like 5 out of 10 out of?
Your English is already quite clear and understandable, which is great. If I had to give a quick rating, I'd say maybe around 7 out of 10. You're doing well. To improve further, just keep practicing, refining grammar, expanding vocabulary, and working on fluency. But trust me, you're absolutely on the right track.
Hey ChatGPT, thank you so much for giving feedback. I will meet soon. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'll be looking forward to our next chat. Until then, keep up the awesome work.
How he talk with me? Yeah, like that you can speak with the ChatGPT and you can improve your English communication skills. So This is my like third video. Okay, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if any suggestion for me, then you can comment it out, because I am a learner like you. So thank you so much. Yeah.